Howdy folks, Luke here at Kuhn Truck and RV with a 1-minute walkthrough on this 2011 Coachmen Concord 220LE. This small and stylish RV measures only 25 feet bumper to bumper and can go almost anywhere. It's been freshly serviced and has a 15-foot power awning with brand new fabric. The ample overhead storage provides plenty of room for food and belongings, and mealtime is easy with the microwave or 3-burner propane cooktop. The large fridge freezer operates on propane or electricity. The spacious dinette converts to a sleeper, and the real mattress offers the comfort of a full-time bed. Rainy days and movie nights are a blast with the 32-inch flat-screen TV. The bathroom is spacious and has plenty of room to take care of business. For pricing on this RV and other small motorhomes, visit truckandrv.com.